What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. And today we've got a charger that we are doing, Hellcat, and we already started vacuuming the interior and just doing a basic maintenance for the car. The car's already coated, so we don't have to do too much with the interior or exterior. We're just doing really a maintenance job. Wheels are also coated. So we're gonna go ahead and fully clean the car, and then pretty much that's it. We have another job today that we're going to do, and you'll see that in another video. It's a pretty special one, but that's all we're doing with this car. And when we get to the wheels, I'll go over some products that we use, kind of like a review of it, really. So that's what this video is going to be, really just a product review of what we're going to use for cleaning wheels on some coated wheels. So that's pretty much what we got for today. Once we get to that part, I'll go ahead and talk about some products that we are going to use for the wheels and interior. All right, I just want to talk about some of the items we're using here on the interior. So for maintenance jobs, I like to just do a basic wipe of all the dust with just like an all-purpose interior like quick detailer. Right now I'm using the Chemical Guys Inner Clean, just because I got a bunch of that stuff for Christmas, so I'm trying to get rid of it. But it does the job just fine for like wet dusting. Once we do like one general wipe with that, all of the hard like plastic, I generally use like a lot of G-Technic products. So right now we're using their all-purpose clean for like a lot of these spots down here. So like pedals, I use the where's that? You got it. So it's G-Technic, the W5. I use that for a lot of these parts down here, and then just took a brush and got in between the little cracks and everything like that. So that's what I use for that. Once I do the general wipe, then I go back over and use a fine brush to get up in there. And that's all we're gonna do really for the interior. Everything else is conditioned and then sealed inside. Same with the exterior. So we're just really cleaning and doing basic maintenance on this car, and that is about it. I'll go to the next. Oh, for the leather, we're just gonna use a basic leather clean. Again, I have some Chemical Guys products left over, and I'm gonna use that just to clean the leather up a little bit. They are already conditioned and sealed, so we don't have to do too much. I'm gonna take a fine brush. I'll probably use this one right here. It's pretty soft. Plush brush, and hit those spots and hit the center console. Center console is like hard vinyl, so it's like that fake leather. Same with the dash, and that's all we really did was just wet dusted, and that's about it for there. And yeah, and then we'll hit the door jambs. Once I hit the door jambs, then we're gonna move to the exterior and we'll be done. What we're doing next is cleaning the wheels first. So we're gonna clean the wheels, and then clean the work our way top down on the car. We already did the interior. I start off with using Super Clean. It's kind of like old school, but it always works. I do have some like Diablo cleaner from Chemical Guys that I do use too, but I love this stuff. Man, it works. Use it on the brakes, and then we go into using Brake Buster, and I'll show you the way I use Brake Buster, and that's probably my go-to wheel cleaner. If I had to choose one, that's what I would choose. But I start off with just spraying this stuff on. and just kind of like let it eat, let it kind of soak in everything, and just get up in there. Then I'll show you what I do next. Okay, what I do next is I take the brake buster. I don't dilute it, I just use it straight. So I put it in here, spray a little bit on the actual. So once I do that, just to take my brush and work in the areas first. I get up on the calipers as much as I can. Just getting the areas that you normally can't hit. Getting around the valve stem, hitting these little parts. So stuff like melts off, like all this grime. This grime just melts off. Now these wheels are coated too, so this stuff's naturally gonna just fall off. Take my little foamy, I get up in there nice and deep like. Yeah. This stuff's just gonna fall right off of the wheel. Like, this brake buster stuff is like the best ever. Look at that. Alright guys, that's pretty much it for that one. I'm gonna go ahead and finish washing the exterior of this car, and then that'll be it. That's my review of the or how to use the brake buster. That's my go-to stuff. It just like washes right off, like all the dirt, grime. You really don't have to work that hard with that stuff, so it works really, really well. It's my go-to wheel cleaner. If I had to choose one, that'd be it. And yeah, we'll just go through and finish what we got. All right guys, till the next video, peace out.